django.db.utils.IntegrityError, column color_set_id, contains null values. app.models.py. Also project.models.py. If I am doing a migrate, I see something like this. I tried to add blank equals true, null equals true, but it didn't help me. How can I fix this problem?
The problem is because you added null equals true after creating the migration file. Follow these steps now.
Follow these steps. Python manage.py migrate fake. Comment color_set. Python manage.py make migrations and amp. Python manage.py migrate. Uncomment color_set. Python manage.py make migrations and amp. Python manage.py migrate.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.